Welcome everyone. Thank you so much for joining in. So right now, looking at this current Bitcoin price section, you can see the price of Bitcoin is actually showing some sort of a reversal scenario. And the question here is this actually going to continue further in a downward direction, or is this just a temporary pullback before price starts kicking in an upward direction? I am actually going to show you some very interesting scenario, giving you exact target here to the downside, and also if this is going to be a reversal, then what kind of scenario are we actually expecting price of Bitcoin to do? So guys, this video is going to be a very important video. Definitely watch it till the end. And also, I would really appreciate if you could take 2 seconds of your time and smash the like button. And all individuals who are watching this for the first time, definitely hit the subscribe button and the bell. So now, looking at this price action of Bitcoin in a daily time frame, you can see guys, in a daily time frame, this price pullback, what we are witnessing right now, from this swing high till this swing low, is somewhere around 23.24%, right? But if you look at this here, from 2017, where we had this similar bullish market from 2017, this kind of price pullback was actually pretty common. You can see here, almost like 39% price correction. Look at this, 41% price correction. From this swing high till this swing low, you can see another 30% price correction. So you can see this kind of scenario has been unfolded again and again, but price was still able to continue in an upper direction. So what I'm actually trying to say you here is that this pullback here, right, doesn't mean the price is now going to continue further in a downward direction. And I also don't believe that this is an actual pullback. And why? Because I'm actually going to show you this one very interesting scenario later on this video. So guys, as I've already said, you watch it till the end. So if you look at this here on the right hand side, you can see if this trend is going to continue further in a downward direction, let's suppose the trend is going to reverse some more in a downward direction. For that, what I need to do is switch the time frame into 4-hour time frame. So in a 4-hour time frame, you can see if this trend is now going to continue further in a downward direction, what are our target areas? Right now, looking at this price action, around this 30,000 looks like a very strong supportive area for Bitcoin. Because yesterday, I gave you guys this scenario here in an hourly time frame. If you remember properly, the parallel channel scenario here, I told you, this parallel channel, right? This parallel channel, if we are unable to find support at the lower line area of this parallel channel, which was around 38,800 price level, then we could see price pullback. And look at this, we couldn't find support at the lower line area, and then a pullback scenario followed after that. And I also said to you guys, if this is not going to hold the price anymore, 37,000 is where we were actually looking at. We had a pullback, and this price also came at our target level of 37,000. We found support. You can see this big weak rejection here. Price tried to re-enter the lower line, which previously acted as a support, acted as a resistance, and then we had another pull down scenario, right? And now, as I've already showed you guys, in a 4-hour time frame, looking at the price action, 30,000 looks like a very strong support. Also including this 34,700, 34,600, this trend line is actually acting as a very strong resistance, because here in previously this trend line acted as a resistance, support, and now you can see this weak rejection here to the upside is actually indicating, hey, maybe if this is going to act as a resistance, there is also a possibility for price to actually test this 30,000 price level. And let's say if this is not going to come around the 30,000 price level, right, and it's going to find support somewhere around this 33,600 where we are, there must be a scenario of a reversal if this is going to continue again in an upper direction. And what kind of scenario I'm actually looking at is a Wyckoff's re-accumulation scenario. Let me show you this. So this is how re-accumulation phase actually look like. If we focus on this phase A area, look at the price movement here, right? Double top scenario, price pullback. We don't know where this pullback is going to be in our case. We are assuming if this is going to continue, 30,000 is going to be a very strong support. 30,500, 30,600. This price level is going to be a very strong support, right? So if this trend is going to continue in an upper direction or so any sort of a reversal after that to the upside, then we are actually expecting price of Bitcoin to make a really nice double bottom type of scenario, right? You can see a double bottom type of scenario. And then if we are also able to break the neckline area, that is going to actually indicate a trend move in this manner. Very bullish move. And why? Because you can see here, if we look at this price action here as well, guys, you can see similar price structure unfolded here, right? Double top, pullback. And again, when we actually made this double bottom, you can see here, double bottom, right? Breaking the neckline indicated a very bullish move here in an upper direction. So if this is going to be the similar case right now, then 30,000 is somewhere where we are looking at. Even if the price is going to come around this 30,000 or 29,000 price level, I still believe that this is not an actual trend reversal, and why I'm actually going to show you later on this video. That's why this is very important that you watch it till the end, guys. So now let's look at this very quickly on the right hand side. If you look at this price movement here on a daily time frame, this trend line here, right, this horizontal line actually represent the monthly candle close, or you can also look at the monthly candle open level. And with each and every month you can see, for example, if you start here with 31st of March, the 31st of March candle close around this 6,400 price level. When you see this price moving in an upper direction, when we have this pullback, this monthly candle close or open level acted as a very strong support, and after that you can see we had a very nice move in an upper direction. So if you look at this 30th of April, the candle closed somewhere around 8,600. This bullish move here came back to retest this monthly candle open level, and then again you can see had a pullback. This monthly candle close level acted as very strong support, right? And then you can see we started hitting in an upper direction. So what I mean by that is that if you look in our case right now, this monthly candle close from 31st of December is somewhere around 29,000 price level. So just like here with the price action in the left hand side, you can see this 30,000 and this 29,000 to the downside. This is one of the strongest support for Bitcoin looking at this price action. And now let me show you why I believe that this price pullback right now, what we are witnessing, is not an actual, a real correction. Because if we look at this here, this is a very important chart to understand, guys. Because if we look at this price action of Bitcoin and look at this mark-off phase from 2017 and also this markdown phase here, right, you can see before the price actually had a real reversal, it gave us an indication, not only just in 2017 but also here in 2019. You can see a very nice mark-off phase and then again a markdown phase from 2019. What kind of indication we got here? If you look at this price movement properly, guys, you will see here impulsive move, corrective move, again followed by an impulsive move, and then a leg down scenario, a corrective wave. So this was a very bearish phase of Bitcoin from 2017, right? And again here in 2019 we had a pretty similar price structure here as well. You can see impulsive move, corrective move, again and followed by an impulsive move, and then corrective wave followed after that. So what I'm actually trying to show you here is that when we had this real reversal, price always made this movement here. Let me call this number 1. So this is the 0.1 area, this is going to be the 0.2, this is going to be the 0.3 area, and this is going to be the 0.4 area. So, and what is this 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 and 0.4 actually mean is that if I would show you guys this example with this dead cat bounce scenario, look at this 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 and 0.4, guys. This 0.1 is from where the market actually starts reversing, right? And after reaching the 0.2, for example, you can see after reaching the 0.2, in our case, we had this impulsive move again, just like here, but this retracement is not going to close above 50%, 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level. This is what traditional chart actually looks like, right? And then what is going to be the 0.4 trend actually starts continuing in a downward direction from the original trend where it came from. So if that's going to occur, then the price must not close above the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level. As I've already said you, this is for traditional market, but what I like to do is I like to use the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement as well. So if we look at this from the swing high till the swing low level, right, this correction ended somewhere around this area. So you can see here, this was the swing high and this here was the swing low area, this 0.2 area, right? So if we look at this impulsive move here, this actually came around this 0.618 and was unable to close above it. You can see this rejection here, right? And after that, this pullback scenario followed, just like here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 in a bigger time frame. This is in a weekly time frame, and that is when we had this actual pullback scenario. Let's look at this here from 2019. If you look at this mark-off phase and markdown phase, guys, again, what we are going to do is we are going to use this Fibonacci retracement from this swing high till the swing low level. So the correction actually unfolded till here, right? You can see. So let's take this Fibonacci and look at the price movement. You can see the price was actually able to come around the 0.618 but was unable to close above that area. So exactly here we got a weak rejection, and after that you can see the downward trend followed. So what I'm actually trying to say you here is that if this is a real reversal for Bitcoin, then we could still see a move like this here. So let's say this is a swing high and right now the swing low area, right? So if this is going to be an actual reversal, I think there is a very likely scenario of price to get one more pump in an upper direction and then move in this manner. So then I would say like, hey, similar scenario unfolded here, the dead cat bounce scenario here in 2017, 2019, and this could be another scenario here also unfolding in 2021. So guys, this is what I wanted to share with you in today's video. I hope this video was helpful enough. If that's the case, hit the like button, and those individuals who are watching this video for the first time, also for you guys, hit the subscribe button and the bell. So by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye bye guys.